You guys want to see what's going on at Adidas? I guess so. Let's go see what's up. Was able to walk right in, didn't have to wait. Pretty dope. I'm curious to see if this place has anything. The last Adidas stop had nothing. See what happens. I've never seen this with all this clearance stuff in the middle. What's going on here? Holy cow! We gotta see what's up. Dude, got some Dame 6s here, pretty loud. Size 11, going for 55 bucks, 110, 50% off, not bad. Got some Stan Smiths, kind of going for the price they should. Size 7.5, going for 25 bucks. Okay. All right, Sense Boost goes 10.5, going for 90 bucks, get 50% off, so 45. Solar Boost size 10.5, going for 50 bucks. All right, let's check out the aisles real quick, and then we'll check the other section. Didn't find too much heat in that clearance section area, but yeah, kind of what we saw last time, dude. Ultra Boost 20s, going for way too much. Do have a whole lot of colorways though, but they're all still overpriced at $120. I don't think we've seen most of this. I don't think we see most of these colorways at Footlocker, but the Footlocker prices have significantly been cheaper. Dang, more Ultra Boost 20s, $120. Yeah, I think we've seen the white colorways, right? And we've seen the black as well. Wow, they do have a lot though. And you are still saving $60, but yeah, Footlockers, man, I'm hitting up Footlockers if I want Ultra Boost. So you got a few more colorways. Y'all get what I'm saying though. Holy crap, I've never seen two actual aisles, that aisle and this. I've never seen this much Ultra Boost here, to be really honest. They're all still going for $120 though. This is the personal best ones, the PBs. We've actually seen these at Footlocker, and yeah, these were significantly cheaper. More DNAs, the Ultra Boost 19s, SNL Pride, so the suede and leathers, Solar Glides for these. Oh, okay, I guess all of these are not Ultra Boost. But yeah, what's up with that? These are going for $120. I know these are serious runners. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, look at this. $39.95, 50% off. So $20. $20 for full length boots. That's just insane. That's insane. $20, you guys. Holy crap. I wonder if I should get one for my pops. Holy crap. Alpha Bounce 3s, 50 bucks a piece after the discount. These as well. Damn, I wonder if I should get one for my pops. These are just way too cheap at $20. Holy crap. You got these for $35. The Predator 20.3 FGs. Yeah, same thing. 30 for these. The Copa 20.3 FGs. More of the Predator 20.3s going for 40. The Copas, these are going for what, 27 something? Predator 20.3 TFs going for 40. The Nemesis 19.3 FGs going for 35. Dawn issue 1s, 50 bucks for these. We did other Dawn issue 2s are out now. These are supposed to be legit though. Got the Night Joggers going for 50 bucks after the discount. Dame 6s, I love these, 55 bucks. Super dope deal. More Dame 6s. This is the GCA colorway. Okay. Alright, not too bad. Another one, 55 bucks for these. Not too many sizes in all of them though. Oh, okay, it's like a Olympic colorway. I've never seen this one. More GCAs. Harden Volume 4s. These are going for 65. Dawn issue 1s, $50. Marquee Boost. Why are these so expensive? What, 65 for these? And then yeah, 65 for these as well. PW Niza. What the hell is this, man? 50 bucks for these. Leather actually seems really legit though. Super Quartz. These look frumpy as heck, but the leather not too bad, man. Superstars go for 40 bucks. I didn't even say the price on all those, huh? We saw these Superstars go for 40. SC Premiers. Man, leather is really nice on that, dude. I'm not hating on that at all. 50 bucks after the discount. Okay, apparently these are excluded from the discount. These are going for 80. These are going for 40 after the discount. Oh, this is actually pretty dope. Ooh, feel that leather. This is like way nicer than the cheap regular leather. Whoa, I've never seen that, but yeah. They got my size too, $35 for those. And that's a dope color too, actually. Wow, that's pretty dope. $35 for those. And then yeah, but I don't think any of these have that good leather like those tan ones, man. Yeah, these are going for 35. Things are so up and down here, Ultra Booster or whatever, and then Other stuff, good deal. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I'm so confused. It's the women's clearance area. Seeing what's going on over here. These are some Ultra Boost J's. These are for kids. So size 7. $100 for these. $50 off. So yeah, that comes out to 50 bucks. That's what's up, man. That's what I'm talking about there. Got some EQT gazelles going for $40. Size 5. More of those. It's like a green colorway. What the heck? $40 for those. Got some superstars for the women. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's like a nubuck material going for $45. Alright, we're checking out the regular section, you guys. Ultra Boost. Yeah, they're cheaper Footlocker, man. Sound like a broken record. Ultra Boost 20s. More Ultra Boost 20s. Ooh, this is one of the few. Look, that's $130 and then you get 50% off. This is one of the few. That's a hell of a deal. And back to the regular 120. Yep, the Ultra Boost 20s. Yeah, we explicitly saw these for well over under $100 at the various retailers. $120 for those as well. In a different area, the Ultra Boost DNA SNLs. I'm a fan of those, man. I really like that suede right there. The top of the tongue is suede as well, man. Those are dope. But $120, not too much. Okay, this is one of the good deals here. $54 for those. That's a hell of a price. Oh my goodness. Some solar glides. Those go for $45. These are going for $80. So look, does look like they got some deals here. Solar Boosts are supposed to be really good for running. Those go for $80 as well. Sense Boost Goes going for $60. Those are hella comfortable. $60 for those. And a third colorway. Pretty neutral, pretty dope. Then they come with this stuff. Focus Breathing. What the heck? The Sticons. I was like, is this the next level stuff? Nope. Sticons go for $70. Man, this place, like, I just keeps going, man. This place is huge. The Superstars go for $70. The SC Premieres. This is the one with that nice leather. Oh, never mind. My bad. That's the wrong one. $50. My bad. Super Court right here. These got some decent leather. Go for $70. 50% off. More SC Premieres. These are going for $60. Night Joggers. $50 after the discount. More Night Joggers. More $50. And the gold ones. These are. Oh, I see different prices on these. But yeah, look like $80. 50% off. These are interesting. Some Superstars. It's made of suede leather. Going for $45. Alright, I'm making a purchase, you guys. These are just too cheap. I'm not getting them for myself. I'm getting them for my pops. But yeah, $20, you guys. $20. The Climacools. Yeah, let's see how it fits, you guys. I'm going to try it on because my dad's feet are slightly smaller than mine. So I'll just know, yeah, I'll at least know how it works. Alright, I need to hurry up and pay for these and get the heck out there. About to close. But yeah, this is it. $20 boost, you guys. $20 full-length boost. They seem comfortable enough, especially for $20, man. What the heck? Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, I had a feeling I missed a couple things. Oh, is that the Spice Girls in the background? What the hell? Yeah. Dude, look at these. 9.5. Size 9.5. And these bad boys are going for $100, 50% off. So $50. What the hell? That's cheap. Okay, so I did miss a couple, you guys. These are going for $58. So they do have a few deals here and there. $50, not bad. That's what confused me. A few of them say $180, then a few of them say $108, but looks like more of them say $108 than $180. So yeah, that's a pretty decent deal, you guys. All right, now we're gonna officially wrap it up, you guys. Time to head out. So I did get something, you guys. I guess it was worth it. Guess it was worth it, man. Talking trash for nothing. All right, guys. I guess I was wrong. I assumed that all the deals were gonna be kind of a ripoff, but they had a couple deals, you guys. They had a few deals. They did have a couple Ultra Boosts that were pretty decently priced. These were just ridiculous. Freaking $20 for full-length boot. That's just insane. My pop's gonna be happy with these. Color's a little bright for me, but hey, it is what it is, you guys. Yeah, so definitely appreciate you guys watching. Definitely appreciate you guys making it to the end, you guys. Make sure you help your boy out. Press that like button. Click that subscribe button if you are new to my channel, you guys. And yeah, you guys know I'm gonna be dropping another video soon enough, you guys. So yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.